Hello everyone. We will continue our topic alcohols, phenols and ethers. Now we will discuss today phenols. What are the phenols? Phenols, these are also called as carbolic acids, hydroxy derivatives of aromatic hydrocarbons in which the hydroxyl group is directly attached to the aromatic ring are called phenols. For example, benzene ring, and to the benzene ring OH group is attached, name is phenol C6H5OH. Then second example, that is to the benzene ring OH group is attached and methyl group is attached. The name of the compound is paracresol. Then another example, naphthol. Two benzene rings attached to each other and OH group is attached to the benzene ring. The name of compound is naphthol. These phenols are classified on the basis of number of hydroxyl groups present in a molecule of phenol. For example, monohydric phenol. Phenol contains one hydroxyl group in their molecules. For example, phenol, naphthol, cresol. Dihydric phenols. Phenols contains two hydroxyl groups in their molecules. For example, catechol or the resorcinol. Trihydric phenols. Phenols contain three hydroxyl groups in their molecule. For example, fluoroglycinol. Nomenclature of phenols. The hydroxyl derivative of benzene is called phenol. The IUPAC system name of phenol is benzenol. The common name phenol is also accepted by IUPAC. The common names have prefixes ortho, meta, para in substituted phenols. IUPAC system uses the locant 2, 3, 4, etc. to indicate the position of substituent. Observe the examples. First one, that is benzene ring and OH group is attached. Common name is phenol and IUPAC name is benzenol or the phenol. Second example, where one OH group is attached at the first position and at the second carbon atom methyl group is attached. Common name of the compound is orthocresol and IUPAC name is 2-methylphenol. Third one example, OH group is attached to the benzene ring, that is the first one carbon atom, and therefore NO2 group is attached to the fourth carbon atom. The common name of this compound is para-nitrophenol and the IUPAC name is 4-nitrophenol. Next example, phenol. There are two hydroxyl groups attached to the first one and the second one carbon atom of benzene ring. The common name is catechol and benzene IUPAC name is benzene 1,2-diol. Next one, benzene 1,3-diol. And next example, benzene 1,4-diol. Next one, that is benzene ring having a 3-hydroxyl group at position first, third and fifth. Common name is fluoroglycinol and IUPAC name is benzene 1,3,5-triol. Tri, that is containing the 3 OH groups. Next example is the 3 OH groups. These are attached to the benzene ring at the positions 1, 2 and 3. Thus, the common name is pyrogalol and the IUPAC name is benzene 1,2,3-triol. Preparation of phenol. First one, from chlorobenzene, Dow process. Chlorobenzene is fused with NaOH at high temperature and pressure and sodium phenoxide is formed. Sodium phenoxide on treatment with dilute HCl gives phenol. Second one preparation, that is from cumene. This is commercial method of preparation of phenol. Cumene, that is the isopropyl benzene. On air oxidation in presence of cobalt naphthenate gives cumene hydroperoxide, which on decomposition with dilute acid gives phenol and with acetone as a byproduct. Third one method, preparation of phenol, that is from benzene sulfonic acid, that is C6H5SO3H. Benzene sulfonic acid on neutralization by NaOH gives sodium benzene sulfonate, which on fusion with solid NaOH at 573 Kelvin gives sodium phenoxide, followed by the reaction with dilute acid gives phenol. Fourth one preparation method, that is from aniline. Aniline is treated with nitrous acid at low temperature to obtain benzene diazonium chloride, which on hydrolysis gives phenol. Physical properties of alcohols and phenols. First one, nature of intermolecular forces. Alcohols and phenols are very polar molecules due to the presence of OH groups. The polar OH group are held together by strong intermolecular forces, namely hydrogen bonding. Second one, physical state. Lower alcohols are colorless, toxic liquids having characteristic alcoholic odor. Pure phenol is colorless, toxic, low melting solid having characteristic phenolic odor. Third one property, that is the boiling points. The boiling points of alcohols and phenol increases with increase in their molecular mass. Solubility, phenols and lower alcohols having up to 3 carbon atom show appreciable solubility in water due to their ability to form the intermolecular hydrogen bonding with water molecule. Chemical properties of alcohols and phenols. Number 1, laboratory test for phenols. First one, litmus test. Aqueous solution of phenols turns blue litmus red, thus phenols have acidic character. Second one, reaction with bases. Acid strength of phenol being very low, phenol cannot react with NaHCO3 but react with NaOH. Phenol dissolve in aqueous NaOH by forming a water-soluble sodium phenoxide and are regenerated on acidification with HCl. Third one, characteristics test for phenols. Phenols react with neutral FeCl3 solution to give deep purple or the violet or the green coloration of ferric phenoxide. Next property of phenol, that is the acidic character of phenol. Reactions, and this reaction is due to the breaking of oxygen hydrogen bond. In phenol, phenoxide ion, the conjugate base phenoxide ion that is formed when phenol on treatment with water, it dissolves in water and it gives H3O positive ion and C6H5O negative ion, that is a phenoxide ion. Phenoxide ion, the conjugate base of phenol, is resonance stabilized by delocalization of negative charge and therefore phenol ionizes in aqueous medium to a moderate extent and thereby shows a weak acidic character. Reactions of phenol. Phenol undergoes electrophilic substitution reactions more readily as compared to benzene. The OH group in phenol is ring activating and an ortho para directing group. First one reaction, that is the halogenation of phenol. Halogenation means replacement of hydrogen by means of halogen atom. Phenol reacts with aqueous solution of bromine to give 2,4,6 tribromophenol. Thus, C6H5OH plus thrice Br2, it gives 2,4,6 tribromophenol and plus HBr. If the reaction is carried out in a solvent of lower polarity than water such as a CHCl3, CCl4 or CS2, a mixture of ortho and parabromophenol is formed. Thus, C6H5OH plus Br2 in presence of CCl4 or CS2 or the CHCl3 at low temperature, it gives orthobromophenol and parabromophenol. Parabromophenol is major product. Second one reaction, that is nitration of phenol. Nitration means replacement of hydrogen by NO2 group. Phenol react with dilute nitric acid at low temperature to give a mixture of ortho and para nitrophenol. Thus, C6H5OH plus nitric acid gives orthonitrophenol and para nitrophenol. Phenol reacts with concentrated nitric acid to form 2,4,6-trinitrophenol, and that is called as picric acid. Thus, C6H5OH plus nitric acid in presence of concentrated H2SO4, it gives 2,4,6-trinitrophenol, that is a picric acid, and plus H2O. Third one reaction, that is sulfonation of phenol. Phenol react with concentrated sulfuric acid at a room temperature to give orthophenol sulfonic acid at 373 Kelvin and paraphenol sulfonic acid. Fourth one reaction, that is Riemann-Tiemann reaction. When phenol is treated with chloroform in aqueous sodium hydroxide solution followed by hydrolysis with acid, salicylaldehyde is formed, and this reaction is known as Riemann-Tiemann reaction. If carbon tetrachloride is used in place of chloroform, salicylic acid is formed. Fifth one reaction, Kolbe reaction. The treatment of sodium phenoxide with carbon dioxide at 398 Kelvin under pressure of 680 M followed by acid hydrolysis, salicylic acid is formed. This reaction is known as Kolbe's reaction. Next one reaction, that is oxidation of phenol. Phenol on oxidation with chromic anhydride or sodium dichromate in presence of H2SO4 gives parabenzoquinone. Phenol oxidizes slowly, giving a dark colored mixture in presence of air. Next one, catalytic hydrogenation of phenol. Phenol on catalytic hydrogenation gives cyclohexanol. In this reaction, a mixture of vapors of phenol and hydrogen is passed over nickel catalyst at 433 Kelvin temperature. Next reaction, that is reduction of phenol. Phenol is reduced to benzene on heating with zinc dust. Thus, C6H5OH plus Zn giving rise to benzene plus ZnO. Uses of phenols. First one, phenol is used in preparation of phenol formaldehyde resin, for example bakelite. Second one, phenols are used as an antiseptic in common products like air fresheners, deodorants, mouthwash, calamine lotions, floor cleaners. Ethers. What are ethers? Ethers are alkoxy derivatives of alkane in which a hydrogen atom of alkane is replaced by alkoxy group OR and divalent oxygen atom is attached to two alkyl groups. Thus, ethers are compounds which contain an oxygen atom bonded to two alkyl groups or the two aryl groups or one alkyl and one aryl group. Ethers are organic oxides. Ethers are considered as anhydrides of alcohols. Thus, example ROR dash, that is C2H5OCH3. ROAR. Third one example AROAR dash. Thus, these are the ethers, and epoxide and 1,2-epoxyethane, these are the examples of cyclic ether. Nomenclature of ethers. In common system of nomenclature, the ethers are named by writing names of the alkyl groups attached to the oxygen atom in alphabetical order and word ether is added. If two alkyl groups are same, prefix di is used. According to the IUPAC system of nomenclature, the ethers are named as alkoxy alkanes. The larger alkyl group is considered to be the parent alkane. The name of the alkane is prefixed by the name of alkoxy group and its locant. Now see the example. CH3OCH3. Common name is dimethyl ether and IUPAC name is methoxymethane. Second example, CH3O CH2CH3. One group is methyl group and other group is the ethyl group. Therefore, common name is ethyl methyl ether and IUPAC name is methoxyethane. Third one example, CH3O CH2CH2CH3. One group is methyl and other is the propyl group. Hence, the common name is methyl and propyl ether and as the largest alkyl group is the propyl group. Hence, that is considered as a parent alkane, propane, and therefore the IUPAC name is 1-methoxypropane. Next one, C6H5OCH3. Name of the compound is methyl phenyl ether anisole in the common system and in IUPAC system methoxybenzene. Then to the benzene ring, if oxygen to the oxygen one benzene ring is attached, that is the AR group, and the other is CH2CH2CH3. Thus phenyl and propyl ether and the IUPAC name is 1-propoxybenzene. Preparation of ethers. There are two preparation methods. First one, that is dehydration of alcohols. When alcohol is heated with dehydrating agent like concentrated H2SO4 or H3PO4, two products, either an ether or an alkene, can form depending upon the temperature. For example, dehydration of ethanol by H2SO4 gives ethoxyethane at 413 Kelvin temperature, while ethene is formed at 443 Kelvin temperature. Thus, C2H5OH on dehydration with concentrated H2SO4, it gives C2H5O C2H5O at temperature 413 Kelvin, and same reaction at temperature 443 Kelvin gives ethene. Second one, that is the Williamson's synthesis. Simple as well as mixed ethers can be prepared in laboratory by Williamson synthesis. Now, what is meant by the simple ether? Simple ether means having both the alkyl groups are same. In ether, having both alkyl groups similar, and when two alkyl groups are different, then that is called as the mixed ether. In this method, alkyl halide is treated with sodium alkoxide or sodium phenoxide to give dialkyl ether or the alkyl arir ether. Physical properties of ether. First one, physical states and boiling points. Diethyl ether and ethyl methyl ether are gases. Other ethers are colorless liquids with pleasant odor. Lower ethers are highly volatile and highly inflammable substances. Boiling points of ether show gradual increase with the increase in molecular mass. Second property, that is a polarity and solubility. Since carbon-oxygen-carbon bond angle is 110 degree, the bond dipole moment of the two carbon-oxygen bond do not cancel each other, and therefore ether possesses a small net dipole moment. Weak polarity of ethers does not affect their boiling points, which are about the same as those of alkane having comparable molecular mass. Solubility of ethers in water is similar to that of alcohols of comparable molecular mass. This is because ether can form hydrogen bonds with water through the oxygen. Chemical properties of ethers. First one, laboratory test for ethers. Ethers are neutral compounds in aqueous medium. Ethers do not react with bases, cold dilute acids, reducing agents, oxidizing agents, and active metals. However, ethers dissolve in cold concentrated H2SO4 due to formation of oxonium salt. Thus, ROR- plus H2SO4 giving rise to ROHR- plus HSO4 negative and oxygen carrying a positive charge. This property distinguishes ethers from hydrocarbons. Second one, reaction involving alkyl group of ether, that is formation of peroxide. Ethers combine with atmospheric oxygen to form a peroxide. Thus, example diethyl ether CH3CH2O C2H5 plus O2, it gives CH3CHOOH and OC2H5. All ethers which have been exposed to the atmosphere contain peroxide, and peroxides, these are hazardous because they decompose violently at higher temperature. Third one, reaction involving carbon-oxygen bond, that is a reaction with hot dilute sulfuric acid. The reaction is hydrolysis. Ethers when heated with dilute sulfuric acid undergo hydrolysis to give alcohols or the phenols. Thus, ROR plus HOH in presence of acid, it gives ROH. Reaction with PCl5. Ethers react with PCl5 to give alkyl chlorides. Thus, ROR- plus PCl5 on heating, it gives RCl plus R-Cl plus POCl3. Reaction with hot concentrated acid. Alkyl ethers react with hot and concentrated HI and HBr to give an alcohol and an alkyl halide. Thus, ROR plus HX gives RX plus ROH, that gives RX. With HX again gives RX. Thus, aryl alkyl ethers have stronger and shorter bond between the oxygen and aromatic ring, and hence an aryl alkyl ether undergoes cleavage of oxygen alkyl bond and yield a phenol and an alkyl halide on reaction with HI. Thus, anisole on treatment with HI at 398 Kelvin temperature gives phenol plus CH3I. Next property of ethers, that is electrophilic substitution in aromatic ethers. First one, that is halogenation. Anisole undergoes bromination with bromine in acetic acid even in the absence of ferric bromide catalyst. It is due to the activation of benzene ring by methoxy group. Thus, anisole, that is a benzene ring attached OCH3, giving rise to 90% para-bromoanisole and 10% ortho-bromoanisole. Friedel-Crafts reaction. Anisole reacts with alkyl halide and acyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3 as a catalyst. Third one reaction, that is nitration. Anisole reacts with concentrated nitric acid in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid to give the mixture of ortho-nitroanisole and para-nitroanisole. Thus, anisole gives 4-nitroanisole major product and 2-nitroanisole as a minor product. Uses of ethers. Earlier, diethyl ether was used as a general anesthetic in surgical operations. Diethyl ether is used as a solvent for Grignard reagents, fats, waxes and oils, etc.